The electric bicycle market has witnessed a remarkable transformation with the introduction of gravel bikes, seamlessly merging the exhilaration of sports cycling with the practicality of daily commuting. A prime exemplar of this evolutionary trend is the Gravital AXS by Crow, a distinguished Spanish bike manufacturer. This innovative e-bike epitomizes the fusion of technology and versatility, catering to the evolving needs of modern cyclists. One standout feature of the Gravital AXS is its impressive weight, tipping the scales at just around 14 kilograms. This lightweight appearance contributes to the bike's agility and maneuverability, setting it apart in the competitive e-bike landscape. The Gravital AXS offers riders a choice between an aluminum or carbon frame, with the aluminum Gravital SL one axis weighing 14.5 kilograms, and the carbon Gravital UL 2 axis, coming in at just 13.6 kilograms. This weight range positions these e-bikes as formidable contenders even against some non-electric mountain bikes, underscoring the exceptional engineering behind their construction. A defining feature of the Gravital AXS is the integration of the Fazua 50 street motor. This powerful motor delivers an impressive 350 watts and 55 Newton-meters of torque, providing riders with a substantial boost when needed. What sets the Fazua 50 apart is its unique removable appearance, allowing cyclists to convert their e-bike into a traditional, non-electric bike effortlessly. This adaptability caters to riders seeking a versatile cycling experience, seamlessly transitioning between electric-assisted and manual modes. Technological prowess is evident in the Gravital AXS, equipped with the Sram Rival AXS 12-speed drivetrain, featuring advanced wireless shift technology. This cutting-edge drivetrain, coupled with Fulcrum Rapid Red 500 wheels and Schwalbe G-One Bite TLR tires, ensures a smooth and efficient ride across various terrains. The inclusion of hydraulic disc brakes further enhances the overall riding experience, providing reliable stopping power crucial for both city commutes and off-road adventures. For the aluminum variant, the Gravital SL one axis, enthusiasts can expect to invest approximately €4,799 or equivalent to $5,289. This model, despite its competitive weight and advanced features, emphasizes affordability without compromising on performance. The aluminum frame ensures durability and agility, making it an attractive option for those seeking a balance between cost and high-quality performance in the e-bike market. On the other end of the spectrum, the Gravital UL 2 axis, featuring a carbon frame for enhanced lightweight appearance and strength, comes with a starting price of around €5,599, or equivalent to $6,170. The carbon version takes the Gravital AXS series to the pinnacle of performance, offering an even lighter alternative for riders who prioritize top-tier materials and are willing to invest in an e-bike that pushes the boundaries of both technology and aesthetics. In conclusion, the Gravital AXS by Crow exemplifies the evolving landscape of electric bicycles, showcasing a perfect blend of lightweight appearance, technological innovation, and adaptability. This gravel e-bike is poised to captivate the hearts of cyclists who seek the thrill of both sports cycling and the practicality of daily commuting, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the electric bicycle market. What do you think about the new bike? I'm interested to know your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck.